pattern because it is very common. Okay, have you been blessed by ing? Okay, any duration time go have you been blessed by ing? No, I have a chinia blue solution. A take gala, DD, a take gala ganibio. Past, no? Sagare chimowa. Beginning chimo, BEGINNING. Beginning time. Saturday beginning time. Decide a chain ganibio. Yaku a chain tea. Stay now. Now, a goose right have a cool chain tea to virgin. Stay now. No, a little chain you don't. Stay now. Okay, so che the town I listen naga nibio, a cootie satin, I'm still teaching. Okay, have you been blessed by fine engineer? Have you been teaching English? Me English at a good thing it omela. Sir, a good Saturday anyway, a good thing it omela, share with me later. Okay, have you been working till now? Me teaching a little lonely don't la. Daddy, me like their farm. Have you been? Debo sound yummy, no? Being blessed by ing. Have less been blessed by ing. Found the beginning time gun if you're stay now. Okay. Sorry, Cheryl. Me go go PG me. Yabi. So, kuna diga don't usage beginning time gun who teaching different areas for usage code in Yabi. So, the Yama Buffer engineer was Sunday. You don't PG on. I have no PG on. I have been. No, be buffer ing. So daddy pattern I check the line. I have been teaching from 6:45. 6:45 take I have been speaking. I have been speaking with my friends for a long time. Okay, so I have been learning English at top 1 language school from maybe from March Mahola would teach maybe November. So I have been learning English after 1 language school from November. Still now you're still learning here. You're still here. So I have been playing game from this morning. I haven't playing this game from the morning, but I haven't won it. I have been reading this book, but I haven't finished yet. No, so answer to usage part time have you been blessed by ing? Yes, I have been blessed by ing. Okay, so